morning guys, hope you guys are all doing really well. So it is currently Saturday today. So as you guys saw, I had breakfast, went to the gym, and I just finished having my smoothie. So Saturdays for me is mainly about cleaning and organizing the place and making sure it looks nice and clean for the week ahead. So I'm going to take you guys through today because I'm going to go and declutter the kitchen. Some of the cupboards are filled with a lot of junk and I really don't like it. Everything is everywhere. I know it's only been like 5 months since I moved in, but everything is literally like a mess. I'm going to do that. I'm going to clean out the fridge as well and wipe down surfaces, and yeah, hopefully it'll be a little bit more nicer, and also do the spice drawer as well. So yeah, that's the plan for today, just to do a little bit more cleaning. And this afternoon I am going with a bunch of friends to Archie Brothers, basically arcade gaming, where there's laser tag, bowling, and just those arcade games as well. So I'm going to go with my brother and a group of friends, so that would be really fun. I cannot wait. So I'm trying to get everything done before then because it is already, it's currently 1:10 already, so I better get a move on. So yeah, let's get started.
Room 2110, I knocked on the door at the penthouse suite, cause I needed more from you. Oh, I wanted an explanation. Red Solo.
So as you can see, I've just popped in all the dishes into this cupboard. Got my bigger plates at the back, some deeper plates, these side serving plates, and some bowls as well. So that's all the dishes in this cabinet. So if we look down here, we can see that at the back section I've got a rice cooker there, which my mum gifted me when I moved into this apartment. I've got a baking tray, which I'm yet to bake some banana bread in, and underneath that I've just got a sandwich press, or a jaffle maker actually, a jaffle maker there. And here I've just got my onion and my potatoes. I'm going to take this out and organize it and make sure everything is sitting nicely in its basket.
Oh, I wanted an explanation. Red Solo cups all over the floor, and your friends passed out, sleeping in that bed you wanted us to hang out in. I guess you threw yourself a party, and you chose not to invite me. Yeah, you threw yourself a party, but you wanted me for a good time. You said, text me when you get here. You made it so clear it'd be nothing more than our clothes on the floor. Only wanted me naked, but you can't have your cake and eat it all the time, all the time. Whoa.
So I've just unloaded the dishwasher. I've got some dishes here, dirty dishes in the sink, which I'm going to load back into the dishwasher. So let's go.
Room 2110, what I come here for. I wanted to talk, but you kept slurring your words.
Okay, now moving on to our fridge. So if we open this up, we can see that there's a lot of weird things happening in there. Everything is everywhere, so I want to try and organize this a little bit. There's really not much in this fridge. I mean, it's not like my ideal fridge. It's pretty old, but it's what we got, and I'm just going to work with it. So I'm just going to organize this a little bit. So I'm just going to take everything out and give it a nice wipe down before I put everything back in. All the ones that we don't use, I'm going to put them at the back, or we don't use regularly. Okay, so the fridge is looking a lot better now, so I'll go through it. So here I've just got all of these sauces that we use, like chili sauce, sweet chili, soy sauce, etc. Barbecue at the back, some lemon juice. I've got some tartare sauce, and then mayonnaise at the back. And here I've just got the big tub of garlic. We don't have much in our fridge at the moment because it is Saturday and we usually go shopping on a Sunday. So next we've got here some strawberries. I've got 3 punnets of strawberries. I've got some coon, slices of cheese, got some eggs in here, and here we've just got some dinner from last night, which is basically some corn soup, chicken corn soup. I've got a bottle of wine here from a few days ago, and there I've just got some sultanas and some cheese. Now if we pull out this drawer, we've got all of our vegetables in here. So I'm trying to sort of finish everything up because I've got one of everything almost. So I've got some broccoli and some mushrooms. We've got some potato half chopped up, and then a tomato, and I've got a bag of capsicum with 1 carrot, and that side is empty. So this is what this side of the fridge looks like. If we move on to this side, so you can see here I've got my butter and my jam. I've got some garlic bread here, and I've put all our milk here. So this is oat milk, and this is just normal light skim milk. And here we've just got some Chobani Greek yogurt and some kaffir lime leaves. Okay, now moving on to the next thing I want to organize is my spice cupboard. As you can see, everything is basically everywhere, a lot of Indian spices. So I just wanted to clean that, and I don't know if you can see at the base of it, it's pretty dirty, so I want to give that a nice wipe down. And this is the spice cupboard, all organized nicely. So as you can see, I've got all the packet spices here. I've got the refills here at the back. These haven't been opened. This is used. And then the bigger containers. So I've got like my garlic salt, and I've got my mixed herbs, and this is like a mixed garam masala with jeera. And then the tin, some hundreds and thousands, a refill for the pepper, that, and these are just all of the spices that I've got. And I just refilled the salt and pepper. This is my most used, so I've just refilled that up as well. I don't have a proper spice rack, but I think I might actually purchase one soon. And lastly, this cupboard here, I just wanted to organize this. As you can see, everything is basically everywhere, and I can't seem to find where anything is. So this is a little bit of our pantry, so I'm going to organize it, and yeah, BRB. So that was a lot easier than I thought. So I've got all the sort of curry pastes in here, any marinades. Got a packet of Maggi noodles at the back. I've got some chips, some corn tortillas, Crusket, some almonds and some nuts, and two protein bars there. And if we move down, I've got 2 taco kits at the back. I've got my milk, got some sauce backups. I go through these chili sauces a heap. I've got some tins here. So I've got the chickpeas and baked beans at the back, and some Uncle Ben's rice. In that bag, I've got like normal white rice. So yeah, that's what that's looking like. So proud of myself. And that is the entire kitchen, nice and clean. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. So happy Sanjna. As you can see here, this is my workstation. So I'm just going to tidy up this a little bit and put away my work laptop into my backpack and switch it over with my YouTube laptop, which is just basically my MacBook Pro. As you can see here, I've just swapped out my work laptop for my MacBook Pro so I can get started on some editing after having a little bit of lunch. Love how the apartment is looking. It feels nice and clean with everything organized. Glad that's all done now. So the apartment is looking nice and tidy. I am now going to go have some lunch. I think it's like 2 p.m. so I'm a bit late. But yeah, gonna have some lunch now. It's gonna be a light lunch. I think I've just got some soup and garlic bread and maybe like a piece of fish in the air fryer. And lunch is served. So I've got some chicken corn soup with some bok choy in there. It tastes amazing. I've already actually tried it. And here I've just got some garlic bread with some beer battered fish. with some herb and garlic seasoning. And yeah, this is my lunch. So it is now a little bit later. It's currently 4 p.m. now, and I am all ready to head out for the evening. As I mentioned, we are now going to Archie Brothers, which is basically an arcade gaming center where you do like laser tag, bowling, etc. So I'm really looking forward to that. I thought I'll quickly show you guys my outfit for today. So the top I'm wearing is just a turtleneck top, full sleeve skivvy, and I'm just keeping this on because it's so cold here in Sydney at the moment. And I'm just wearing some jeans. So these jeans are like a mum jean. They're a bit loose and just high-waisted, and I've just got this belt on. The belt is also from Valley Girl Attempts, and the jeans are from H&M, and I've just got my Adidas sneakers on as well. And as usual, I've got my Guess watch, and I've just got my hair out and clipped back a little bit off my face, and I am ready to go. Not sure if I'm going to be able to vlog much because I definitely just want to be because I don't want to be using my phone much, but if there is any content, then I will upload it now for you guys. But if not, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and you know, you got to see my apartment a little bit more. I know I haven't really shown the apartment much, but I feel like I'm going to show it a little bit more and do a little bit more of, you know, those apartment vlogs. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys.